Hello, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I want to talk to you today about what are 5 flags, 5 red flags that might signal your relationship with food is disruptive, it's injured, and we want to navigate that, okay? So stick around. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I'm owner of Imagine Wellness, and I am a doctor, dietitian, and coach, and I help people navigate their relationship with food towards health. I can look at your food thoughts, your food choices, and your body beliefs and how they affect your health. So I would love to interact with you. If this is helpful, hit that subscribe button and follow along. The first flag, the first red flag of your relationship with food is, do you see food as good or bad? Do you look at food and think, oh, that's bad, that's good, and I'm a good person if I eat this, I'm a bad person if I follow that, I'm cheating, I am being bad tonight. Do you have that type of language? The language and the words that you use matter. It can reflect conscious and subconscious thought patterns, which can affect what we believe in our heart. So the words that you use do matter over time. So do you view food as good or bad? 2, do you miss out on opportunities with friends because of the food that is being served? Like if I had a birthday next week and I invited 10 friends and one of them didn't go because they're afraid of the pizza, that would be a red flag. Something is happening where you're unable to engage in a connective environment with people because of the food. Red flag. 3rd, you don't have your favorite foods around because you're afraid you can't stop. You're afraid that you can't stop eating them. So do you not keep certain brands of cookies in your house or certain candies in your house because you're like, gosh, if I just keep them in the house, I won't be able to stop. Something is happening where you're unable to have a boundary. You're unable to have a relationship with food that's appropriate, and I can help you navigate that. 3, you nitpick your body and how you feel after you eat. So do you weigh yourself after you eat? Do you stare at yourself in the mirror? Do you tighten your clothes or pinch your clothes a certain way because of the foods you've chosen to eat? That's another layer of discomfort that your body's experiencing because of certain food choices, or maybe all foods. And last, do you only have diet or sugar-free options in your home? Here comes my doggy. If you only have diet or sugar-free options in your home, but you actually really love Coca-Cola, what's happening in your life where you're just unable to enjoy that Coca-Cola? What is happening? And it doesn't mean if you have a medical condition or if sugar is something that's affecting your metabolism, that's a different conversation. But if it's out of fear or out of anxiety because of the sugar's consequence, let's have a conversation. I hope this was helpful. Follow along. And those are 5 flags, 5 red flags to look out for your relationship with food. Thanks. Bye.